So is my word that goes out of my mouth. It will not return to me empty, but will accomplish what I desire and achieve the purpose for which I sent it. As it is written in Isaiah chapter 55 verse 11, so was God's word accomplished through a prophecy that was given by his servant, Prophet Robert MUWANGUZI of Life Haven Christian Ministries Mukono, about the bushfires he had seen in California. Witness the Holy One prophesying.
Bushfires
nti ndaba omuliro ogukutte ettale oba ensiko
and count days.
era mubale ennaku.
I've been told it is in California now.
Guli eyo na California nakati gukyayaka.
Were you around when I was giving prophecy?
I was around, and actually it happened on Friday. You said it on Thursday, then it happened on Friday, and it's still continuing.
Hallelujah.
The prophecy came to pass when strong Santana winds triggered a new round of fires, including the TOPASS fires in Ventura County, which forced over 23,000 people to evacuate, with the largest fires burning over 1,246 square kilometers and more than 1,300 structures destroyed. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, 2007 will be remembered as a year of extremes, and it will be the third warmest year in the record for the states, but the second hottest in California.